Welcome back to Mathematics Made Manageable, the blog on supportive material for Class 12 Mathematics, designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sankatan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us see what are the contents inside the blog. Supportive material on every chapter of Class 12 Mathematics is given at individual pages of the blog. You can view the content of the particular chapter from the blog archive directly. Let us see what are the contents in each page. The syllabus as per CBSE curriculum, and digital copy of the NCERT textbook, and content of the chapter as per the syllabus explained, and solutions to all the exercise problem in PPT format with animation and solution steps which can be downloaded, and solution to all exercise problem with narrations in PPT format with animation and solution steps. Normally when you give the PPT with all exercise problems where the solutions are available in a step-by-step fashion, at a particular spot the child may be having a confusion. Therefore, the exercise problems in PPT form is supported with the narrations. The steps are explained in the form of narrations in PPT. The previous exercise problem with the narration in PPT format is converted into a video, and the same video is uploaded in the YouTube and the link is given. An MCQ on the chapter for practice and questions for practice. Here highly interesting thing is the questions will be for practice from the chapter in which you are viewing the blog. For example, if it is chapter 5, questions will be from chapter 5, and also one more set of questions from chapter 1 to 5 for the children to have practice. The lab activities by NCERT. NCERT has given a lab activity book having in 3 volumes. Those lab activities are given for that particular chapter, and the videos made by Swayam Prabha, IIT Delhi, and NEOR. The link is also given for further reference. How to use the blog? Now this is the link to open the blog of all the chapters. For example, if it is available for chapter 1 to 5, it is for all the 5 chapters, and this is for specially for chapter number 5. You open the page designed for chapters and then follow the link to view the required content. Let us see how to view the blog. This is the blog for Mathematics Support Material Class 12, Chapter 5 Continuity and Differentiability. On the right side you are seeing that Chapter 5 Continuity and Differentiability. If you click 2020, you will go to chapters of the remaining. For example, chapter 1, then this is chapter 2, and this is chapter 3, and this is chapter 4. Now let us go and see what is available in chapter number 5, Continuity and Differentiability. It starts with the syllabus, continuity and differentiability, what are the syllabus, and NCERT textbook is a digital copy is given. Simply click it, then the NCERT textbook chapter will open and you can download it from this download button. And this blog also contains the concepts. The handout contain definition and examples for the chapter number 5. You click it, it has been put in the drive and it has been shared with you. Here you see the all are explained with the required graph and all. This also you can download it. Then you are having the solution to NCERT textbook exercises solved through PPT. The PPT is made with animations. For example, you want to see for any chapter, for example, derivative of composite function, double click it, the link is there, it will take you to the differentiation of chain rule, and here you are having this button download. If you click it, then in your computer the PPT will get downloaded. It takes the time as per your speed, or after it got downloaded it is only 2.4 megabyte. Now the advantage of this particular PPT is all the questions are solved with animations, and whenever there is a requirement for any graph or any explanation, it is already there. And remember, this PPT which you are downloading, it will be available only in read only form. It will be available in read only form. What you have to do is you have to simply click that read only button and you have to run it. For example, click this enable editing, then after that it will ask you to open it, and you have to open it in a read only mode only. Okay, now you can go for it from any particular one. You can start. For example, if you want to show the children a particular question, for example question number 3, then you can start it. Okay, one by one step it will come. Okay, then you can use it in your classroom teaching, online teaching, and you can start from the particular question also by using this slide sorter also. Okay, I'm just closing it. Okay, come back to this. Okay, now once again, in the next set is solution with narrations. Whatever the PPTs which was made with the textbook solution, they are now supported with the narrations also. For example, I am opening it and it will allow you to download. You can download it. It is downloadable. And you can go for enable editing. Okay, now it is will be little bit bulky because of voice is there. For now you can open it. This PPT can be opened and you can download all the PPTs and keep it ready. Okay, so that you can show it to the children. Okay, you see it is showing password, therefore click read only. Okay, you have to click read only. Now it will open only read only. Now you can go to any particular slide. For example, you can start with any slide. For example, you want to show them question number 15. Now you can start it. It will start with the narrations. The narration in the sense that each and every step will come. Each and every step will come with narrations. For example, you are seeing over here. Let us continue with dy by dx. Y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 x square minus 1. Okay, now I am escaping it. Okay, come back to that blogger once again. Okay, here once again the narrations there, it has been converted into video and it is available in the YouTube. For example, when you click this logarithmic differentiation, the YouTube video will open. Okay, and that YouTube video will have all the solutions with the narrations and all. Welcome, friends. At the bottom of that video, you are having the PPT link and the PPT link of that particular chapter also. Prepared by M. Okay, then below that you are having the MCQ question. Once again the child can click. Then you will have only 10 questions for practice. Once again you can download this. Okay, then after that you are having a practice questions. Again it is in the PDF format. The child can download. It is having a from the topic continuity differentiability 10 questions. Again topic number 1 to 5, once again 10 questions for revision. And this one also contains lab activities by NCERT. Child can click. Once again he can download it from this download button. These activities are given and it has been copied from the book published by NCERT. And this blog also contains some videos prepared by Swayamprabha and NROUR. Simply click it. That video will open and you can watch the video. These videos are made by IIT Delhi and there has been explained with the handwritten material and all, it has been explained. And some materials are there from NROUR also, that is also available. For example, NROUR. Okay, now you have to simply click it to view this particular video. So for this blogger contains the material which is required for you to learn the topic and have practice over it. And in that comment box you can put your comments and for the improvement of this particular blog. Thank you.